If you've lost access to your Skype account and don't have your phone number, you can still recover it by following these steps. This guide will help you regain access using alternative methods. Step 1. Visit the Skype sign-in page. Go to the official Skype sign-in page. Click on the Forgot Your Password link to start the recovery process. Step 2. Enter your Skype username or email. Input your Skype username or the email address associated with your account. This will help Skype identify your account for recovery. Step 3. Choose recovery method. Since you don't have access to your phone number, select an alternative recovery method, such as receiving an email verification. Make sure you have access to the email account linked to your Skype. Step 4. Check your email. Look for an email from Skype with a verification code or link. Follow the instructions in the email to verify your identity and proceed with the account recovery. Step 5. Reset your password. Once your identity is verified, you will be prompted to create a new password. Choose a strong password that you haven't used before and confirm the changes to regain access to your account. By following these steps, you should be able to recover your Skype account without needing a phone number. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Skype support for further assistance.